Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. So in today's recipe I am going to show you simple, easy, yet it's rich in fiber and iron. So I'm going to show you how to prepare iron rich Raagi Upma. If you're planning to have Upma, so this time you try this with Raagi powder. So let us see how to prepare. Here I have taken 1 glass of Raagi powder, that is small tea glass of Raagi powder, and 3/4 of Upma rava over here, or semolina or suji. So for vegetables I have taken bell peppers, green, red and yellow, tomato, green chilies, some ginger and green peas, carrot, onions and fresh curry leaves. Now take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee and add 1 full teacup of ragi powder into it. Now for ragi powder I prepare it at home itself, and then add 3/4 of suji or semolina and then fry it. You don't need to get this till golden brown, but just you can fry it just for 1 or 1.5 minute. So after 1.5 minute, this is it. It is separated like this. Now you can take that into a plate, and again in the same pan add 1 tablespoon of ghee and add groundnuts or peanuts and some cashews. If you like, you can add another dry fruits like almonds and pistas also, but for upma these two are good. Now fry them and take aside, and again add 1 tablespoon of ghee and add cumin seeds and mustard seeds and let them splutter, and that's it. And then add all the vegetables which we have cut and put it aside. Now for upma, main ingredients are ginger pieces and fresh curry leaves. These two bring an amazing taste and nice aroma to the upma itself. So after frying them for half a minute, add all the veggies into it and just saute it for half a minute. After, add salt according to your taste. Now again saute it for 1 minute and close the lid and allow them to just cook for 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, you can see all the vegetables turn soft. Now time to add water. Simmer the flame and add 5 cups of water over here. So for 1 cup of ragi powder and 3/4 cup of semolina, I'm adding 5.5 cups of water. If your upma turns a little bit harder, you can add that half cup also. So totally 6 cups of water will do good. Now close the lid and allow it to boil. Now once you get this boil, simmer the flame. You remember, you have to simmer the flame, otherwise you may have the chances, not you may, you will guaranteely you can have chances of forming lumps in the upma. So that is the reason why you can simmer it. Otherwise you can switch off the stove and add the semolina and the ragi powder and then stir it nicely, and then again turn on the flame and cook it on sim. No issues. If you're cooking for the first time, you do like this. Otherwise you can simmer it and you can add all the powder and just stir it nicely without any lumps are formed. Now in this process, if your upma turns again a little bit harder, add another 1/4 cup or half a cup of water. That's it. You don't need to panic, and allow it to cook for 1 or 1.5 minutes on lower flame. You can see a nice boil coming from that upma. Then add the dried or fried cashews and groundnuts, and then that's it. Serve it hot. You don't need any chutney to serve this with this ragi upma, because you add all these vegetables like bell peppers and green peas and ginger and all these things. So try this and let me know how it turned to you in the comments. Please subscribe. Thank you.